If you're considering investing in TURING MOBI, HK technology, there are a few things you absolutely need to know before making your purchase. This company is making waves in the tech industry, and while they're highly competitive, there are some critical details that could change how you view their offerings. So stick with me till the end, because I'll give you the rundown of 7 things you should know before diving in. By the way, if you want to get the best offer and try TURING MOBI for free, make sure to click the first link in the description below. First up, TURING MOBI has positioned itself as a major player in the mobile tech space, and when you compare it to other mobile tech solutions, they're clearly pushing the envelope. Unlike many competitors, TURING MOBI, HK, emphasizes ultra-reliable performance combined with ease of use, making it a go-to choice for anyone serious about mobile tech. But here's what most people don't realize at first. They're not just offering a product, they're offering a complete ecosystem that ensures seamless integration with your other devices. This gives it an edge over standalone solutions you'll find from other brands. Next thing to consider is their focus on security. When we look at the growing concerns about data privacy, TURING MOBI stands out by making security a top priority. It's equipped with advanced encryption protocols, meaning your information is much more protected compared to what you'll get from other mobile tech brands. If you've ever been worried about privacy with mobile solutions, this is something that will definitely put your mind at ease. It's something they do much better than many competitors who focus more on convenience than security. The third thing to note is the price. TURING MOBI, HK, technology tends to be priced in a slightly higher range than some of the more budget options out there, but when you consider the features and quality you get in return, it's pretty much a steal. For instance, some rivals may offer lower-end versions with similar specs, but TURING MOBI delivers more value in terms of build quality, performance, and long-term durability. If you're comparing it to other high-end mobile tech products, you're getting way more for your investment here. Moving on, one of the most compelling aspects of TURING MOBI is its customer service. When you compare it to other companies in the same space, TURING MOBI has a stellar reputation for fast response times and effective troubleshooting. This is a huge plus because, let's face it, we've all dealt with brands that leave you hanging when you have an issue. TURING MOBI, on the other hand, has built a reputation for putting their customers first, ensuring that any problems are solved efficiently and professionally. Next thing, their software suite. Many companies focus solely on hardware, but TURING MOBI doesn't stop there. Their software suite is built to maximize the efficiency of their products. From seamless connectivity to performance optimization tools, TURING MOBI ensures that everything works together as it should. This is an area where other brands sometimes fall short, offering products that may be impressive in hardware but lack the software backbone to support them effectively. The sixth thing you need to know is how future-proof this technology is. TURING MOBI, HK, is not just building for the present. They're actively working on ensuring that their devices are ready for the next wave of tech. From upcoming OS updates to their proactive efforts to incorporate new features, this brand is committed to staying ahead of the curve. Many competitors just release a product and leave it to stagnate, but TURING MOBI is continually innovating, which makes it a great investment for anyone looking to future-proof their tech. And the seventh thing to consider before buying TURING MOBI, HK technology, is their community and support system. Not only do they provide excellent customer service, but they also have a robust online community where users share tips, troubleshoot issues, and discuss features. It's something that sets them apart from other brands that may leave users in the dark once they've purchased the product. TURING MOBI creates a sense of belonging for their customers, which is invaluable when you want to get the most out of your tech. So if you're thinking about giving TURING MOBI, HK technology, a try, here's the deal. Click the first link in the description to get the best free trial for the product and some exclusive perks. Trust me, it's worth checking out, especially if you're serious about getting high quality, secure, and innovative mobile tech. Don't miss out on this chance to try it for yourself.